Konnichiwa everyone, I am Teacher Pau of Basic English Camp, and this video is gonna be different from the other videos that we have here in BC. Because for today, I'm gonna share with you how we Filipinos cook Biko. So Biko is one of the famous delicacy that we have here in the Philippines. And so yeah, let's start cooking. The ingredients are coconut milk, brown sugar, and glutinous rice, or what we call malagkit. The first step is to transfer the glutinous rice or the malagkit into the cooking pot, then wash it 3 times, and then cook it just the same way how we cook rice. Once the glutinous rice is cooked, we have to set it aside and let it cool for a couple of minutes. So while waiting for it to cool down, we will now prepare our mixture. So for the mixture, we are going to bring to a boil the coconut milk. Then we will gradually add sugar into it. After adding the sugar, you now have to continue stirring the mixture to make sure that the sugar is completely dissolved. So now you have to wait a few minutes and bring the mixture into a boil. So once the mixture starts boiling, we will now add the glutinous rice and continue stirring until the rice is covered with the coconut milk. So the challenge in cooking Biko starts here, because in cooking Biko, you have to mix it thoroughly, continue mixing, because you have to get a certain consistency to reach the right texture or the right consistency for the Biko.
A few moments later.
So for the rest of the time in cooking, you have to mix it. You cannot let it sit in fire without mixing because the under part of the Biko might burn. So you have to continue mixing.
One eternity later.
Once you reach the right consistency, or like this one in the video, you can now let it cool down and then transfer it to your serving plate, and you can now enjoy your Biko. できました。And that's it. So that's how we cook Biko. So I hope that you learned something from this video today. And mata ne!